Welcome to another episode of Cooking with David Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how I make my chocolate cheese hazelnut milkshake. We're going to need a good scoop of vanilla ice cream. So we need a big scoop. We're going to need one good banana. And next you want 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I know we got vanilla ice cream in there, but this is going to make it even better. Next we want a chocolate cheesecake hazelnut spread, and then want to take, I got me an ice cream scooper to scoop it out with, but it's still stuck on there. Cup of milk. I'm going to turn this on here. Give us a good blend. Alright, take a look at that. We're going to put some whipped cream on the top of that. Look at it. It is, y'all. Take a look at that. That is beautiful. That is amazing. Anyways, have it. Your chocolate cheese hazelnut milkshake. And it's just delicious, y'all. And if y'all do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that bell so you get all my notifications. And I thank you for watching. Y'all have a blessing day. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you.